Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my today's review is about Olivia cleansing milk and I will be reviewing it over Olivia foundation. But before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out any video. So right now I have used Olivia foundation and I have a full review over this. You can check it out by the link in the description box. So this is how the Olivia cleansing milk looks like. It is in the variant aloe vera and it retails for 60 rupees and it has a shelf life of 1.5 years and all the details are mentioned on the back. It does contain parabens, so if you are someone who is anti-paraben person, then you should not go with this cleansing milk. So I'm taking a little amount on a cotton and I will be applying it to see how many times it takes for this cleansing milk to remove the foundation. And this is the first application. So this is the second time I'm applying this cleansing milk. Now this is the third application of this cleansing milk, but still there is some foundation left, so I will be using it for the fourth time. So it took me 4 applications of this cleansing milk to remove all my foundation, but this is pretty much case with all other cleansing milk I have used. So if you want, you can definitely give this a try, but people with sensitive skin should avoid this cleansing milk because I felt a little bit of irritation with this, though I don't have sensitive skin. But if you have, then please avoid this product. All in all, it is a good product and it is in a budget, so you can definitely give it a try. So this was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, then do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till my next video, take care and bye bye.